Good day, greeting inherit and classmates. My name is Rafael Velázquez, coded 4700 on 1678, Grove Night, Phase 0. Recognized Strategy Management in the Real World Context. What is the threat strategy set? This strategy ground and Kenny Omahed and Japanese guru famous for strategy suits. Point out that strategy must focus country-key factors to achieve success. Inter-construction on an evolving strategy. Three main players must be considered. 1. The competition itself. 2. The client. 3. The competition. The strategy trial. Only the three sets customer competition and competitor inter and strategy triangle can create a sustainable competitive advantage. How to apply trade strategy 3Cs to a company in a real context? The 3C strategy includes three key players and strategy such as companies, customers, and competition. By taking these three factors into account, a company can base its strategy on improving its performance. The strategy playing on your ranking cluster might be hard to determine the entire target match with anti-need and outer customers. Additionally, the strategy playing must take into account the company competence action, such as manufacturing, distribution, and sales, to ensure that customers receive products and services in timely and appropriately managed. Finally, companies must also take care of the competition. Therefore, it must concentrate attention in turns on right companies, capacity and competitive analysis, such as manufacturing, service, among others. Reference: America, the strategy trio, and pushing one strategy. Thank you. Good day.